For online content creators, the ability to attract potential advertisers, sponsors, and partners is the end goal. It's what keeps the lights on and can even funnel investments into future creative endeavors. A Creator Media Kit serves as a testament of your social currency and also acts as a professional portfolio. To help bridge your creative world and the business sphere, this kit translates online influence into real-life, lucrative opportunities. As influencer marketing continues to be on the rise, brands are eager to connect with online personalities. A sophisticated media kit gives you the ability to present yourself in a well-organized and visually memorable manner. That way, it provides justification to charge higher fees from brands. After all, this is the first impression that sets you up as a responsible and committed professional in the creator space. A well-rounded media kit should tell the world about who you are as a creator, the kind of content you produce, your audience composition, past collaborations and success stories, and last but definitely not least, the services that you can provide so advertisers and sponsors get their money's worth. So, let's go over the key components that every media kit should include to maximize its persuasive power. By the way, we are UExec. We create business presentation templates and spreadsheet models to save you hours of work. Follow us to receive weekly business templates and spreadsheets that will propel your career forward. Use the introduction section to carve out your niche in the digital space. Start with your own story and go over the essentials, your journey as a content creator, what drives you in this creative venture, and the unique selling points that set you apart from similar creators in the media space. Focus on the characteristics that make your content distinct and valuable to a specific audience. This might be a unique perspective on common topics, exceptional storytelling skills, or an engaging way to simplify complex subjects. This introduction will then transition into a summary of your content pillars, the themes and topics you consistently explore. What are your posts primarily about? In this example, the content creator focuses on technology trends. And what about your style and tone? Some creators are known for their casual and humorous banters, while others are more serious and factual. Think about where you fall on that spectrum. Ideally, this description of your content should also be encapsulated in a visually communicative way. Examples are the most direct and effective way to reinforce your claims. Include screenshots or mock-ups that reflect your content style, such as popular video thumbnails or a stylized representation of how your platform appears to visitors. You can even add clickable links so readers can view the entirety of your work sample if they're interested. By inviting potential collaborators to get a glimpse of your content universe, these elements work together to build a robust introduction that keep the readers hooked. By the way, these are just a few of the many slides available when it comes to a Creator Media Kit. You can find more in the template we've created, so feel free to download and customize them to your needs. Now it's time to shine the spotlight on the online community that you've built. The makeup of your audience provides a critical layer of knowledge for partners and advertisers. Use a detailed audience profile section to feature not just basic demographic data like age groups and geographic locations, but also psychographic traits such as values, attributes, and behavior patterns. This information paints a picture of a living, breathing community that props up your content. Brands look for this depth of understanding to make sure that their products and messages resonate with the right people. In other words, their potential customers. Just like any form of direct marketing, having the right target audience that exhibits the ideal buyer profile can really maximize the return on any sponsorship or partnership. Beyond static numbers, remember to also reflect the dynamic aspects of your audience intention with engagement metrics, such as the average number of comments, shares, and likes per post. Breakdowns of the most popular content pieces offer actionable insights into what captivates your audience. When relevant, you can even highlight finer details such as average view duration on videos, click-through rates on promotional content, and the overall sentiment and audience feedback. These demographic and behavioral analyses signal to advertisers the potential reach and impact of their partnership with you, and it also helps to set realistic expectations based on actual data. If your platform has experienced notable growth, make it known. A healthy record of growth and traction positions the creator as being able to keep up with the time, which is a helpful trait as trend cycles have become shorter than ever. Past partnerships and collaborations serve as your professional endorsement. In this section, talk about your history of strategic partnerships and the dividends they've paid. Start with the roster of prominent brands or influencers that you've worked with. preferably with an emphasis on those that are household names or have considerable clout in their industries. Include quotes or testimonials from partners and peers you've worked with to amplify the value of who you're working with. These detailed accounts take potential partners on a journey through specific campaigns, the goals that were set, strategies you employed, how those strategies were implemented over time, and how your contributions led to measurable success. Together, these narratives forge a track record that stands as your commitment to future partnership success. And remember, what we cover in this video are just a few parts of our Media Kit. For more customizable slides, download our Creator Media Kit presentation. Transparent communication of the variety and scope of your services not only helps to attract suitable clients, but also sets the right expectation from the get-go. Each social platform commands a unique approach and, as a result, a distinct service offering, from long-form YouTube videos to snappy Instagram shorts. A breakdown of services by platform informs potential collaborators about the types of engagement and results they can expect. And presenting a clear pricing structure, whether as a detailed list or as a generic overview, clarifies compensation expectations. Approachability and ease of contact seal the deal. Often, creators are their own representatives, so providing direct contact details and all the relevant social media links is key. Also, if you happen to be managed by a company or talent agency, you can easily feature their contact information here as well. Finally, a courteous acknowledgement of the reader's time and consideration leaves a lasting positive impression and thus concludes your Media Kit. The Creator Media Kit stands as an all-inclusive document that captures the essence, reach, and accomplishments of your digital presence. As a professional portfolio that includes audience demographics, personal branding, and a showcase of your success and offerings, the path to strong, profitable, and aligned business relationships is clearly outlined. This kit does more than just introduce or summarize. It positions you strategically in the competitive creator economy. If you're a content creator or looking to become one, what are some tips that you have with dealing with partners or advertisers? Leave a comment below so we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching.